Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use App Drawer on Android. Here are the steps to use the App Drawer on Android. Unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen so this opens your App Drawer on most phones. Alternatively, tap the App Drawer icon, a grid of dots, if it's visible on your home screen. Once open, you'll see a list of all installed apps on your phone. Scroll up or down to browse through all apps alphabetically. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific app by typing its name. Tap on any app's icon to open it directly. Tap and hold an app icon to open options like Add to Home Screen, Uninstall, or App Info. To add an app shortcut, drag it from the app drawer to your home screen. To uninstall an app, tap and hold its icon, then select Uninstall, or drag it to the Uninstall area. Some Android versions let you create folders inside the app drawer. On your home screen, tap and hold an app, then drag it over another to group them. To hide apps, open your home screen, App Drawer Settings, Hide Apps or Remove. Availability depends on your phone brand. When done, swipe down or tap Home to exit the app drawer and return to your main screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.